Hey, it's me, Leah, and this is an ear cleaning device, and I'm kind of curious about this. It's ear cleaner. It's for double tank, and it's supposedly that's all you have to do. So let's get this all filled up, and let me read the directions, and we're gonna clean my ear. And I'm going through the different modes. Ooh, look at that. You can actually see some of the wax in my ears. That was kind of gross. I should try this on my kids. I got this free for review. This is really interesting. Look at all that stuff that was inside my ear. I got this, I feel like I can hear better. I got this free for review, and this is quite an interesting product. I mean, look at that. That was in my ear. Nozzles, so that you can like change those out. If you want to clean the tank out, you can use water, saline water, and you have your charging port back here. You saw that I got some stuff out of my ear, which is crazy, and I feel like I can hear a little bit better now. So maybe I can hear my husband better. But anyways, this was really interesting. I got this free for review, and I highly recommend this. Like, this is an interesting product. I didn't think I'd like it. Yeah, I got this free for review, and I highly recommend because my ears feel really clean.